Let's start a new project by pressing on the plus sign, and I'm going to choose a horizontal anchor for this example. A one finger gesture across the screen will orbit you around a central point, and the up and down with one finger will change your vertical perspective. A two finger pan will move you around the environment, and a pinch will zoom in and out. Let's bring in a new object by pressing the plus sign to open the content library, and then choose your shape. Tap on your object to select it, and then hold and drag one of the arrowheads to move your shape along the corresponding axis. And if you make a mistake, you can always press the undo button. If you'd like to be a little bit more accurate with your positioning, you can always use the property menu and enter in the details manually. You can also use the properties menu to rotate the object, or you can use the coloured rings which appear around the object when it's selected. The properties menu comes in handy to do a few more manipulations. You can change the scale of the object, as well as the material and the colour. I'm going to choose a gold metallic finish for my object. Because we've chosen a basic shape from the content library, we've also got the option to change some of the specific dimensions, such as the height and width of our object. If you'd like to access some more options, with the object already selected, tap on it one more time and you'll get a menu which pops up which enables you to delete or duplicate your object. Hopefully this gives you a good start in creating your first Reality Composer project, importing a shape and manipulating some of its properties.